This is cold water, just little eyeballing, and then I'm gonna knead this until it's super soft, and I will be back. So my dough is ready. Looks nice and nice size, like that size. Here it looks big, here it's that size. So I'm gonna leave it to rest for about an hour or so, and then after it rises a bit, I will be back to fry my mandazi. And I don't know if I will shoot a video frying them, but let's see what happens. So I don't know why this is so dark now. I made the dough and I finished, and here is the results. I already cut or made my shapes. Here is the square, and there is this shape, and yep. So I'm gonna start by, the oil is hot, so I'm gonna start frying them. So as you can see, I've already made this and I'm finishing up now. At first the heat was very much higher.